Welcome to today's video. We're going to walk through the updated process of editing your avatar on WhatsApp so you can keep your digital representation fresh and just how you like it. WhatsApp avatars are a fun way to express yourself and add a personal touch to your chats and profile. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. This is where all the magic begins. Next, look for the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Tap those dots and a menu will appear. From the menu options, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area of WhatsApp. In the settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Avatar. Tap on Avatar to access your avatar settings. Here, you'll find everything you need to create, edit, or manage your avatar. Now, to edit your current avatar, tap on the Edit icon. This will open the Avatar Editor, where you can customize your avatar's appearance. Here's where you can really get creative. You can adjust various features such as your avatar's hairstyle, facial features, clothing, and accessories. Feel free to experiment with different looks until you find one that you love. WhatsApp offers a wide range of customization options, so you can make your avatar look as much or as little like you as you want. Once you're happy with the changes you've made, it's time to save your updated avatar. Look for a Save button, usually located at the top of the screen. Tap Save, and WhatsApp will update your avatar with your new customizations. And that's it. You've successfully edited your avatar on WhatsApp. Now, when you use your avatar as a profile photo or in sticker form, it will reflect the changes you've made. Editing your WhatsApp avatar is a simple and fun way to keep your digital identity up to date. Whether you're changing your hairstyle, adding new accessories, or just tweaking your look, the updated avatar feature makes it easy to express yourself in the app. So, go ahead, give it a try, and let your personality shine through your WhatsApp avatar.